Hello, and thank you for joining us for a brief demonstration of the Modpage system from CharterCloud. The Modpage system enables you to print any existing paper-based form, contract, document that you normally use in your existing business processes today to enable them to be smart documents that, through the use of your Anoto Smart Digital Pen, actually enable you to automatically capture all of the handwritten entries, annotations, notes, signatures, and automatically store them as a digital document in a cloud-based file system to enable you to have paper when you need it and to go securely digital when you want to save time and money. Modpage stands for Mobile On-Demand Paper. What this means is we enable you to keep using the paper that your people are trained on using. You don't have to change anything about the way you conduct business today, whether it be for conducting inspections, signing contracts, taking notes, filling out order forms, purchase orders, timesheets. Wherever you use paper today, you can now use smart paper. This will enable you to gain anytime, anywhere access to all of your documents without any scanning or paper-based filing or expense required. What's best of all is that there's no expensive IT hardware or software to buy. You can get the entire system for $1 a day. The Modpage system also allows you to utilize it for any paper-based process. However you're using paper today, you can now use Modpages. This will enable your company to gain all of the benefits, security, and cost savings of digital paper-based storage while enabling you to still use paper when and where you need it. So now we're going to show you how easy it is to print a Modpage using your existing office printer, using any common office paper. There's no special paper required, as well as show you how easy it is to automatically upload all of your documents into a secure content management system where you can gain anytime, anywhere access, including on mobile devices and tablets, so you can always have access to the important paper when you need it most. You'll get full search and retrieval, allowing you to find information instantly, as well as the ability to easily share digital documents with your customers, your vendors, your service providers to accelerate the speed of getting work done. You can even use your content management system to build workflows, to send documents for approval, to get a full history of people signing off on documents. The possibilities are truly limitless. With Modpage, your company can now easily bridge the paper and digital world and gain all the advantages of both of these worlds. Printing a Modpage is as easy as printing a piece of paper is today. Whether it be an Excel spreadsheet that contains a form that you currently use, a Word document, a PDF, any document that you have on your computer can easily be printed as a smart document. To do this, you simply select Print, just as you normally would. Select the Live PDF print driver. This will create a live document based on the document you're trying to print. You just click Print, and you'll see the live PDF prompt will open, and it'll ask you, where do you want to route this document? For this example, I'm going to route it to my cloud-based inbox. I could also select more specific folders. If I wanted this to go into a contract cabinet, an HR cabinet, an AP cabinet, you can use the system to mirror your existing filing practices that you use today. So again, no change to what you're doing is required. You can also name the document if you want to save this as timesheets. And then once you're done, you just click OK, and your document will be printed. It's as easy as that. Anyone can do it. If you print on paper today, you can easily print a Modpage. You can now see 3 different forms and documents that I have printed on Modpage paper. You'll be able to notice that it's just normal office paper that can be purchased, anywhere you purchase paper today. And you'll see here that I'm also seeing my Anoto Smart Digital Pen. This pen is a very durable tool. It can be carried with you anywhere. It works offline. It stores up to 200 pages per day. Every time you dock it, it'll sync all the data from that pen and clear it out so you're ready to go the next day.
It has a 8-hour battery life, and it comes with a little cap, so when you're not using it, it'll be powered off. So this pen is good for you to carry around with you all day and complete the work you normally do. Once you're done filling out the forms, all the user has to do is plug the pen back in the dock. This will automatically sync all of the annotations and bring up new digital versions of these documents, as you'll see in a few minutes. So first, I'm going to take my Smart Digital pen and I'm going to fill out an employee timesheet. I'm going to write a name, department is HR. I'm going to say, okay, I did this, my total was 80 hours. I'm going to initial here. The date's there. Now I can sign it to verify it. My supervisor can sign it as well and automatically capture all of these annotations. I can even, after I dock this pen, automatically route this document to my supervisor for their signature. Once they've signed it, the full digital version will be stored. I also here have a roof maintenance contract. So I'm going to say this was submitted to Al Jones. And the job here was in Boston, Massachusetts. Go through and let's say we accepted it. I'm going to sign it again. And then my other customer is going to sign it as well. So now this contract is complete. Easy as that. I can also use the Smart Pen, and notice I'm not docking the pen. I'm carrying this around with me. So I'm showing you how you can fill out multiple documents at a time. So let's say we're going to do a HVAC inspection for Energy Star. So let's say this is at 1 Apple Way. It's in Boston. And I can go through my checklist as I walk around the building and take the notes that I need. So this needs to be corrected. This was verified. This needs to be corrected. This was verified. This isn't available. Go through my current process as I normally do. Then I can initial at the bottom to sign off on it. And now I'm done. I've now filled out these 3 forms. And here I can even, add some notes. To this checklist and just make sure that all of my notes and annotations are easily accessible. Now, instead of carrying this paper back to the office, putting it in a file cabinet, scanning it, or sending it to someone else, all I have to do is take this pen and plug it into the system. This is going to automatically upload all of these documents into my content management system. It is as easy as that. If you can use a pen to write on paper and plug the pen in, you're complete. Your task is done, and you now have digital copies automatically stored and easily accessible for mobile access, anytime, anywhere access, and to share with your other customers, employees, third parties, whoever needs to see these documents.
Now I'm going to show you how these documents were automatically stored just by plugging in the pen. I'm going to open my contracts folder, and here you'll see the roof maintenance contract that I just filled out. This took a matter of seconds for this document to be automatically uploaded. You'll see it's versioned. I can publish it if I want to share this document with another customer or the person who signed the contract. I can set passwords for secure sharing. I click publish, and now I get a link to that document. So I can email that link, they can click it and view it. It's as easy as that. I've also done some work on some other documents. So let's see, in my forms file, I now have that inspection checklist for the Energy Star HVAC inspection. So it's going to load, and you'll be able to see all the check marks I made, how I added the notes. So here's all those check marks, the address, my initial at the bottom, all automatically captured just by plugging in the pen. Lastly, I'll show you the timesheet that I filled out, and approved. So I'll open this up. And here is that timesheet you saw me just fill out. All you have to do is carry the pen around with you, complete your existing paper-based business processes, fill it out, and plug in the pen when you're done at the end of the day. Then you get full access to all of the information that you need. You can version it, you can share it with other parties. So with Modpage, we're happy to let you know that using paper is cool again. We know paper works. We know your people are trained on using the paper. Don't overhaul existing practices. Use what works. Do what you do, but smarter. To learn more, you can shoot us an email at paperworks@chartercloud.com. We'd be very happy to get you started. And again, your only cost is $1 a day for the use of the system and your purchase of your smart digital pen, which is $149. It is a very robust tool, works offline in any harsh outdoor environment. You don't need an internet connection, and it'll allow you to gain all the benefits of your existing paper practices and streamline them into a system that enables anytime, anywhere access, workflows, security, and ease of use and access. Thank you so much, and we look forward to hearing from you.